Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we are exploring a popular and somewhat unique approach to the dieting called the 5 by 2 diet. So if you have been interested in intermittent fasting or want to try a diet that allows a flexibility without daily restriction, then the 5 by 2 diet might be worth considering. We will break down what it is, what you eat on fasting versus non-fasting days, and if it can really help with the weight loss. We will also cover you the pros and cons so you can decide if the 5 by 2 diet is right for you. So let's dive in. So let's get to know what is 5 by 2 diet. It's a form of intermittent fasting, meaning your cycle between periods of normal eating and fasting. So here is how it works. So 5 days of the week are regular eating days where you consume your usual diet without any calorie restrictions. And the 2 days of the week are fasting days, but it's more of a partial fast. On these days, you limit your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories total. So the goal of the 5 by 2 diet is to create a calorie deficit which can lead to weight loss over the time. So it's flexible in that you can choose which 2 days to fast, allowing it to fit into almost any lifestyle or schedule. So, what to eat on the 5 by 2 diet? So, beyond the restricted calorie days, the 5 by 2 diet doesn't specify how or what to eat. It provides a lot of flexibility, but it might also leave you wondering what to eat or make sure you get the nutrients you need. So, let's see what to eat on the fasting days. On your two fasting days, the key is to consume nutrient dense foods that keep you full and energized without going over 500 to 600 calories. So, here is a quick list of foods that are commonly chosen on the fasting days. So, first are vegetables. So, low calorie, high fiber vegetables like spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and leafy greens are ideal since they are filling but low in calories. Second, lean proteins. So, eggs, low fat cottage cheese, fish, and lean cuts of chicken or turkey are great choices as they are high in protein, which helps to keep hunger at the bay. Third is low calorie soups. Both broth based soups with lot of veggies are an excellent option to fill you up without using too many calories. And fourth is fruits in moderation. So berries, apples or grapefruit can add some sweetness and fiber but should be eaten in moderation to keep your calorie intake low. The focus of this is on simple whole foods that won't use up your calorie allowance too quickly. So now let's see what to eat on non-fasting days. On the other 5 days, you are free to eat as you usually would without specific calorie restrictions. However, choosing nutrient dense and balanced meals can help maximize the benefits of the 5 by 2 diet and prevent overeating. So here are the few tips. So first, you can include lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, tofu, beans, and healthy carbohydrates like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and quinoa are encouraged. Then the healthy fats from the sources like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds are also good sources. Then plenty of vegetables to ensure you are eating the necessary vitamins, fiber, and minerals. While these aren't strict rules for these days, following a generally balanced and nutritious diet can improve your results and help prevent excessive hunger on the fasting days. So now the question might be coming in your mind, can the 5 by 2 diet really help you lose the weight? The 5 by 2 diet can be effective for weight loss because it reduces your weekly calorie intake without requiring you to restrict yourself every single day. So, research on the intermittent fasting suggests that calorie restricted diets like the 5 by 2 can help people lose weight by creating a calorie deficit and even improving metabolism. Because you only fast 2 days a week, many people find it easier to stick with long term than more restrictive daily diets. However, the results depend on the few factors, including what you eat on non fasting days, then overeating or choosing less nutritious foods on these days can limit your weight loss results. So combining the 5 by 2 diet with a healthy, balanced diet on non-fasting days tends to yield the best results. So now let's see the pros and cons of the 5 by 2 diet. So first clause is flexible and adaptable. Since you choose the two fasting days, you can work it around social events or busy schedule. Second is no need for daily calorie counting. You only restrict your intake on the fasting days, which can reduce the stress of constant calorie tracking. Third tip is process. It promotes weight loss and may help reduce cholesterol and blood pressure due to reduced calorie intake. Fourth benefit is sustainable long term. Many people find it easier to commit to the daily calorie restriction. So now let's see the cons. So first is hunger on the fasting days. Some people struggle with hunger on fasting days, which can make the diet challenging. Second is potential for overeating on non-fasting days. It's easier to go overboard on non-fasting days, which can counteract any calorie deficit created on fasting days. Third, cons is not suitable for everyone. This diet may not be appropriate for people with certain medical conditions or those who need to maintain consistent blood sugar levels. And fourth is limited nutrition intake on fasting days. Restricting calories can sometimes lead to nutrition deficiencies if not done carefully. So you should always check it properly. The 5 by 2 diet offers a unique way to intermittent fasting while still enjoying the freedom of eating normally 5 days a week. So if you are looking for flexible diet that can help with the weight loss, it might be worth a shot. However, remember that everyone's body is different. So what works well for one person might not be for other. So it's always advisable to check with a healthcare provider before starting a new diet, especially if you have any health conditions. Thanks. So you can also connect with me and also let us know your concerns. So I will let you know the feasible solution. So thank you so much for watching. And if you love this video and find this information and video insightful, give it a thumbs up and also share with those who need this badly. So let me know if you are on a 5 by 2 diet or if you are trying to consider it in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.